uh, this message directly to this message. I want message to agalishipnative.com. Please, I want this message to please get to agalishipnative.com Adeboye. I want everybody, please, wanna help me share this message to Adeboye because I want you to answer everybody one by one so that if I answer, I know say I don't answer today. I want me to express this message to swagalishipnative.com and make swagalishipnative.com know wetin e dey do. E dey tarnish my image, my reputation, my dignity, and e dey tarnish that name Uyedu Talk Show for using the word that I, Efeyi Bright, sleep with hot cargo. I no fit fool myself go sleep with old woman. This message wey I dey send give you native daughter, swagalishipnative.com. I big pass who go sleep with native daughter, old woman. Bitches up bike and old cargo. You no fit expect me where I see get my blood can see the fresh go sleep with old cargo. You dey tarnish my reputation, my image. This message wey I want tell you, swagalishipnative.com. Please, 2 times they say you don't do video. They tarnish my image, say I sleep with bitches of biker. Now very, very bad statement that you use. I not sleep with a biker. And I can never sleep with an old woman. No use that word. Take a look at me. How you expect me go sleep with a biker? Why you go to tarnish my image? You dey spoil my name. You dey spoil my name. As I be so, I get wife for us. If I want to sleep with woman, I'll look for woman wey go fresh my blood. I no fit go sleep with woman wey me you come dey use me you come dey use my blood dey fresh. So now make I dey tell you swagalishipnative.com. This one wey you do so, you just embarrass me because why? You no fit tarnish my image. Say me sleep with bitches of biker for what nonsense now? Now so I can't just sleep myself low. I say now biker I want go sleep with. If you dey talk something, you first look the person wey you want call say sleep with your biker. No be person like me. Now you say sleep with your biker. You no fit just send message say Efeyi sleep with your biker. I no sleep with your biker, beg. No dey use that message. Say I sleep with your biker. I no be man where they like sleep with old women. No. Biker na old cargo. You cannot expect to say me sleep with your biker. You embarrass me. You dey fool my name. I did not have fun with your biker. I don't sleep with your biker. And I come pass this message to swagalishipnative.com. Make you a beg. That statement. No, they talk and give. Say I sleep with your biker. I no fit sleep with Obaka. Obaka is too older than me. Obaka old past me now. Obaka senior me now. You will see Obaka, you see me, you see say, if I want to sleep with old woman, I dey crazy to even sleep with old woman. So, the 2 message where I message, one to Obaka, all the program where I don't do, so one to Obaka, one to swagalishipnative.com. And me today, I say make everybody know. So men I just watch pass this message to Obaka, pass it to swagalishipnative.com. Because I can't reply swagalishipnative.com. No ever use and say I sleep with Obaka again. No ever use that one say me Efeyi sleep with Obaka. Because I can't beg you. Come pass this message. May you know. So boss Imade now good they kill you. You see when I talk say I sleep with Obaka, which video you see say I sleep with Obaka? Boss Imade good they kill you. Me I look down there. Wait, now you be swagalishipnative.com. Where you see say I sleep with Obaka? Me I look the person picture. Me I go move on. Me I look on. Me I look on. Now one square my name. Now the grace say me sleep with Obaka. Me I look that person. I bring all my phone. May I look down there, may I block down, may I bring the picture come out. How you look me, you say I sleep with your biker, are they crazy? What time nonsense be that? Me I bring the name come out. They come. No look, you say me sleep with Opaika. For what nonsense now? Which video? Which video I do say I sleep with Opaika? Which the video come out? Make you know better for your life. That video, if you not bring a come out, you know better. But as for the video where I was sleep with Opaika, me I bring am. I'll sleep with Opaika. Which kind of nonsense be this? May I find the name and the fish open. Whether na boss say man dey, may I find out. Say me sleep with Opaika. If whoever get this thing, get this video, I not see you, I don't know the person picture, a picture, put different thing. Now I'm going to kill your generation for the lie where you lie for my head. Now I'm going to kill your generation because I don't know people will be your friend. Corey Toto, Linda Boy, Prince Eddie, Clara Iro, Gua, Bobby, Prince Mosiro, people will be your friend for this thing. And whoever you be, you go die bad. If you be man, you go die. You will, I know, no, say you be Alaluwe. If you be woman, Coco Breed don't vandalize you. Because I know me if they do this one, they be allowed away. So make I tell now, I don't sleep with Opaika one day. Yes. I want to make everybody know. I dey want to continue my program where I'll tell you talk about Governor Godwin Obaseki. I not deal with Opaika. I not sleep with Opaika. I send this message to Adeboye. Swagaliship native daughter, please stop spoiling my name. I did not sleep with Opaika. Not tarnish my reputation, not tarnish my image. I no fit sleep with a woman wey don old. Opaika is an old woman. I can never sleep with an old woman. There are women where I feel near, where I know say e go fresh in my blood. Not be woman wey wan use my blood fresh up. I beg. I no sleep with Opaika. I repeat my word. Make una wey see this message carry and go meet Swagalichi native daughter. Make you know they say I sleep with Opaika. I don't want they sleep with Opaika and make anybody not talk am. I not get anything to sleep with old woman. Old man, nice they sleep with Opaika. The man wey Opaika put for us. Now that man, now they sleep with Opaika. Because Opaika they use that man because of document. And the man na ex-policeman. That man wey Opaika put for us na ex-policeman. The man na policeman before. And the man dey find document. Opaika assure him go give the man document. Now Opaika put the man, they use the man. Opaika they use that man. The man no get documents. Wey Opaika put for us, the man they find documents. Now I make Opaika they use that man. Make I tell now. I not to blame the man for the pain where Opaika they use that man, they suffer. That man is suffering bitterly in the hands of Opaika because the man they look for document. When I not say London, they work without document. Then they help people, they work without document, black job or use other person. And so the man they work for UK, for London. The man will deal with Opaika not get document. And Opaika not give them document. Opaika saying one give her, but they use the man. Now I make the man suffer. They do more like zombie. They follow Opaika. So when I become a document, definitely the man go live up like when he don't get document. Be on a document, and I make the man receive pain. And God go give that man document. I pray may God give you document. May you find your life. Go live with a better woman. I don't advise you to live with Opaika. This thing even though I deliver message to Swagalichi native daughter. But I'll say tell you the truth as a man. Because your voice look gentle, but you will be controlled by a woman because you are looking for document. It is not called for. Do not allow someone to control you. A man must be presiding over his own. When a man is being controlled by a woman, automatically the man is finished. You as a man, I know you are looking for a document. Be patient, God will give you. But when God give you, live up like a really person. So this message where I give an out to everybody. Make una know. I no sleep with Opeka. Swagalichi native daughter. When I send this message to Swagalichi native daughter. God will punish you. Which live video I talk say I sleep with Opeka? So anybody where they talk. So we have to sleep with Opeka. So I did not sleep with Opeka. Now that one I want me everybody here. So everybody don't hear. I not sleep with Opeka. I just pass that message out for my video now. Miss Swagalichi native daughter no dey talk say I sleep with Opeka. As I don't pass am out, I believe say Swagalichi native daughter I go clear. You go hear say me no sleep with Opeka. I no sleep with Opeka. So Opeka na old woman. I no fit sleep with old woman. Me I be fresh blood. You know fresh blood. I be fresh blood. I no fit sleep with old woman. No dey say I sleep with old woman. I be fresh blood. My breast see fresh. So I see fresh. My blood see fresh. I no fit sleep with old woman. How I come dey sleep with old woman? I dey throw waste for her. E go dey enjoy am. I no fit sleep with old woman where I dey throw waste for her now. Where go dey use my blood dey fresh. I can't do that thing. I am a responsible man. I know myself. So I cannot pull myself down to sleep with Opeka. No. I don't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I live a responsible life. Being a comedian on social media does not mean that is how physically I act like that. No. My ways on social media is different physical appearance. I can come out on social media comedian. I can come out on social media when it comes to saga. We will come and disgwagwa each other. But not me say everything we do for social media. Say na so we dey live our life for Onarega. No. We get our life, a better life we live after the program. So now make I tell una now. Opeka husband no get document o, dey find document. I dey tell una la o, na another man dey use say go Nigeria o. Opeka husband no get document, na document Opeka wan give am na Opeka. That man no be husband. Man no get husband, boy, the man wey dey blow am. The man wey dey blow am, the man no get document. The man no get. God go give am document. You no get. One of the guys say he get, he go Nigeria. Which Nigeria I go? Who tell you say go Nigeria? Na lie. May bring the video wey think go Nigeria for now. You no go Nigeria. I just can't defend myself say Opeka. I no fit sleep with Opeka. I no be so. I no dey shook my cassava for any old cargo bekus. I cannot shook my cassava for old cargo bekus. Okay? Opeka na use the man talk for video say, fair say come and talk say sleep now say me I not sleep with Opeka. So I beg. I not sleep with Opeka. So now I want everybody know Opeka. I not sleep with Opeka. I don't want everybody know. So everybody don't hear this one today. And that's a few messages I want to give so that I will return back to my work. It's up to me, I go work. So when I take care, I not sleep with Opeka. I don't pass the few messages. I make una share am now. When I share am, give Swagalichi native daughter, make it not they spoil my name. They say I sleep with Opeka. I did not sleep with Opeka, and I have nothing to do to even sleep with Opeka, and I can never put myself too low to sleep with a old cargo. I can never put myself too low to sleep with a woman wey water. I not be sleep with woman wey be water na Swagalichi native. You don't do for you. No spoil my name again. No spoil my name for Opeka wey be ashawo. No spoil my name for Opeka wey made a blow for us. No spoil my name. Say you dey fool my reputation. I beg. You find sweet sherry where you suppose call my name. Say I enjoy. No be person like Okpeka. Person like Okpeka. If person sleep with her, go dodge. You go hide the head. Are they crazy? Person sleep with that kind of woman. She will let it all say sleep with her. So I no fit sleep with those kind of women. I beg. Don't spoil my name again. I'm bigger than that. I'm responsible than that. I can never sleep with Okpeka. I can never sleep with Okpeka. Please don't spoil my name anymore. Don't fool. You are bringing my name down. Don't take my name to the mood by telling me I slept with Okpeka. Never in my life. I did not sleep with Okpeka, and I don't have anything in relationship with Okpeka or having fun with Okpeka. No. Okpeka is old cargo. Okpeka is a condemned element. You cannot expect me to go and sleep with a woman where they took You don't go. Not they square my name say I sleep with Okpeka. I not sleep with Okpeka. Because I not sleep with Okpeka. I don't pass this message. Swagalation native daughter. So not spoil my name again. I not sleep with Okpeka. Those of una way here mona says Swagalation native daughter may not spoil my name again. So make una take and this one I want give to Swagalation native daughter. So Okpeka, he punish that man. You know, they may set that man free, may give him liberty. Now let that one I can't talk today. So Mona take care. Swagalation native daughter, my word remain. Please, I did not sleep with Okpeka. Not talk and they say I sleep with Okpeka. I not sleep with Okpeka. Find better woman where you go find. You say I sleep, I go say okay, I'll see keep quiet. Not be you fool my name. Ah God, this man to do that thing. Ask me your look responsible rich. Say I sleep with that kind of old woman. Eh? When they say I sleep with that old woman, I don't sleep with that old woman, please. So now that one come pass, come on. Make una take care. Ciao. Now better thing. Now they go to call my name put to. Now sweet women, they go to call my name put to. Fine lady. They go to call my name for old women. Oh, God forbid. Say old women, say I sleep with them. I rebuke them. God forbid, don't do again. Wanna take care, ciao.